Hello, I'm Chilli. To grow me, these are the steps you need to follow.
Start with stones for drainage, then add potting mix. Top with compost and coco peat. Level the surface.
Use seeds from fresh red, overripe, or dried chilies. Soak seeds in water for 1 to 2 hours to speed up germination. Covering the seeds lightly with soil, moisten them gently not to disturb the seeds. Once it germinates, remove the coverings and place them in a sunny spot. Water them when topsoil feels dry.
Space them well and remove the top growing tip after 30 days to encourage bushy growth and more chilies.
Fertilize them with vermicompost every 15 to 30 days during the growing phase. Spray neem oil every 10 days to prevent pests. Mix 5 ml of neem oil for every 1 liter of water. Then spray it on your plants. Harvest regularly to encourage further fruit production, and keep them in a sunny spot all day. With care, you can expect flowering and chilies in 1 to 2 months. The plant will last up to 6 to 8 months with care.